special. It's not the tire and the alloy itself, it's a whole concept, it's a combination of a whole wheel, and we combined the suspension and the wheel together. So this is what pops in your eyes is the wheels, and then you see the massive glass cabin. But the belt line is very low and you have a large environment. So when you sit inside, you literally melt with the nature.
Wow.
And put your luggage inside.
Now these are the headlights?
Not quite.
They're the day running lights.
Exactly, so what appears to be the light is actually not. So this is only the day running light, and the actual light you find in the drones that are on the roof rack.
Wait, in the what?
In the roof rack.
In the drones?
In the drones.
In the drones. So those are actually drones on top.
Those are actually 5 drones, so you need at least 2 to drive together or to fly together, or 5. The idea was on this car that they basically follow you while you're driving and illuminate your path.
Yeah, when you talk about focusing on the main things, what's necessary or not.
So now, is this an autonomous drive vehicle?
It could be possible, of course. Yeah, it's a level 4 vehicle.
Yeah. But the concept of this one would be more that you're enjoying the driving experience.
Yes, of
because
course.
Of the big tires.
Yeah. One detail, which is my personal favorite, if you take a look in the rear, we have 2 flexible seats. It's like a hammock. So if you don't need them, you can remove them.
So it's very much like a dune buggy kind of feeling.
This is why we like auto shows. The Mercedes-Benz AMG Vision Gran Turismo ignites our imagination like when we were young playing with Matchbox cars. With a 577 horsepower V8 and an aluminum body lightened by various carbon fiber components, the roughly 3,000-pound AMG Vision Gran Turismo boasts a favorable weight-to-power ratio of 5.2 pounds per horsepower.
And still, it should be a car that reacts realistically in the game.
After the 3D data was generated, we looked at it and we reviewed it, and we got to a stage where we liked the car.
That's when the real work begins. Exterior design promises something to the customer or to the players in this case. So the sound design is really important as well. There's this great fascination about this game, and we started playing during work. We really loved it, so we really had to play, we really had to get into it.